It's right there, plain as day. Okay? From the previous day close to where we are today, right now. So great job on GameStop to rebound. Won't really matter in the short term. This thing's about to get thick for a lot of people. You know, some people in New York just woke up. But the volume on GameStop is up because you have to control it. You have to short it all the way down. You can't let it run away from you. If you guys know about $36, which you should know, the options that are available to you on that time frame are, it's like 100 more thousand call contracts if you're way up there. It's something ridiculous that'll be into the money if GameStop ends up at $36 for the week. Now, it's Wednesday. We're halfway there on a short week. Anything can happen. But let everyone wake up. Let everyone wake up. Let everyone see what the hell is happening. It's hilarious that people talk shit about us sizing into a position. I mean, it actually makes sense, doesn't it? You just walk in. It doesn't matter where you get in, guys. You know, the way my father taught me things was like, I used to say, "Oh, Pops, you know, I need me a nice car." And he says, "Why?" I said, "Well, you know, I gotta drive now to get to work. I need me a nice car." He said, "The car just gets you there. It's all about what you do when you're there at work. That'll dictate whether or not you get a better car. You know, it's not that you just want to buy one just to drive there. Hey, we don't need the best price possible on Bitcoin. We don't need to have all these products. Everything. We just need to get there. We need to be at the party first. Now we're here. Now we're looking around saying, okay, what do you want to do?" If a company like GameStop, think about this, okay, guys? The value, and so if it does come down, which a lot of people think it will come down coming up, then GameStop gets to buy it. Here's a 5-minute chart looking healthy, getting strong down here at 33. People like that price. They thought they'd never see it again. I think we buy it back. I think we battle back all day. I think we actually close out green today. My honest opinion. I don't care what you did, how you manufactured this whole candle to what Ryan Cohen did at GameStop, where he came in, he put his money on the table, he bought in a controlling stake of the company and says, "I'm the largest shareholder of this company, and I would like to put 3 people on the board of directors." 3 people turned into 6, 6 turned into his company. That's a hostile takeover. That's a proxy fight. I just recently showed you one that happened at Southwest Airlines, where they had 13 directors switch out and come in, and Elliott Management's part of that. This is why Elliott's always feared in the world. Ideally, Elliott just got people on the board of directors of Phillips 66. They had 2 members on that board of directors. I remember when Musselman and Cura got 4 members onto Bed Bath & Beyond. They did the same thing at Big Lots. They did the same thing at Kohl's. So when you can get people into your company on these proxy fights, this is how you take over companies. Right now, GameStop is not in a proxy fight yet, but because they won their fight. But this is what's happening right now in America, where companies are being taken over, and you have to prepare yourself for it all. You have to know at any time someone could walk in and just start putting pressure on the board of directors to do things. Now, some people are okay with takeovers dependent on what the administration does. Imagine if someone came in and said, "We want to buy out this company, we want to take it over." And you as shareholders and you as board of directors, you're like, "Oh, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that." But then Trump announces, hey, he's going to start doing stuff, right? Doing deals with steel mills, and he's going to partner up and have a whole new way of doing business. So you, as a company, you would transition out and give it up to private equity. This has happened, guys. I'm not just like making this up. I'm telling you it's happening now. It happened all year, all last 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But the way it's running different right now is private equity is running out of options. Certainly on this investment called GameStop, you can't get in. And Ryan Cohen has built that moat that we talked about. He put the water between him and the people that are trying to take you over. That's why you have private label. That's why you have an insulated business, even one where you run it yourself and you're the CEO. This is a great investment. It's totally different than anything you've ever seen. And I know Bitcoin an announcement, and everyone's like, well, what's the price, and when did he buy? And you want all the details, and the truth is, the details are not going to change what this investment is. It's not. So prepare yourself mentally for all these guys out there that are crying about, Ryan better announce he did something or else I'm out of here. Then leave. Because you know what? There's going to be more announcements. There's going to be more announcements moving forward in your lifetime that you just have to live with. You have to bend with it. You have to give and not break. It's really that simple. I understand hostile takeovers. His name's Hostile Takeover. Thank you. That Bitcoin was GME Simpson screenshot episode is beginning to have teeth, and so to speak. Sure. Simpsons always get it right. What can I tell you? I had a dream. I literally had a dream, guys, and I just tell it to you now. I had a dream that, it was crazy. My dream was that Keith Gill was getting interviewed, right? And Keith Gill goes, they're like, Keith, now that you're a billionaire at GameStop, what are you going to do? And Keith Gill just walks out and goes, what I've been doing for the last 4 years. I just watch Marantz Rantz, man. The guy knows what he's talking about when it comes to GameStop. That's why. That was my dream. Marantz Rantz, GameStop, Keith Gill. Let's go.
Welcome to Marantz Rantz, no advice on finance. Spin the wheel and take a chance. Get an NFT and a little education. The system got undertow, that knowledge is flotation. You wanna learn? Well, you came to right place. You pumping AMC, might get slapped in the face. Get your due diligence, know who the villain is. Don't be a sheep when the shepherd's carnivorous. So come learn, laugh, and maybe you win big. And listen up, y'all, the wheel is not rigged. Everybody get a chance in the live chat. Kyoto spin wheel, you win just like that. Retail fight back and this retail winning. Y'all just wait, man, this is just the beginning. All fellow simians, GME group singing the truth. We just chillin', infinity pool swimming. So welcome to Marantz Rantz. A lot of knowledge but no advice on finance. Don't even need pants, you can tune in naked like Henny the Mayo Man. Internet's most hated. Don't wanna lose your money, then it's time for you to listen. If you're ignorant, invest in AMC, a superstition. The stream about ready, they told us to don't dance. I do what I want. Welcome to Marantz Rantz. 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 Welcome to Marantz Rantz.
Welcome back. Welcome back to Marantz Rantz. Plenty of good information, a little bit of motivation, a whole lot of truth, no financial advice. Do you guys remember the times where they were like, hey, GameStop only sells used video games? Do you still remember those days? They're like storing Bitcoin. I need to know the address. I want to know the address where they bought all these. I know someone's probably looking it up on the ledger as far as how did they get this many Bitcoin. Somebody's going to find out who it is, and when they're sitting there with 4,710, but once you see the address, let's see what else they're buying. Let's see what else they're doing. I'm excited either way. I'm not scared of it. But I love that this company is so unpredictable, yet predictable. The follow-through is amazing. They tell you what they're going to do. They don't tell you how they're going to do it. They don't tell you when they're going to do it. But they do tell you. So, we're going to make a profit. We're going to turn this company around. We're going to buy some Bitcoin. We're going to keep doing the best thing for you. We're going to stack bricks, and we just want you to strap in, buckle in, and go along for the ride. So, awesome announcement today for GameStop, announcing that they did buy over 4,700 Bitcoin. We don't know the price. I think the price is irrelevant. Honestly, you're not buying it for value and to sell it. You're buying it to back your assets, and it holds weight. So, that's the best part about it. We can prove you wrong. Absolutely, Darth. I know GameStop 2025 is better than Berkshire Hathaway in 1967, without a doubt. But it is the new. It is the new holding company. It is the new everything. And you will be infinitely more valuable to you and your family if you own GameStop. I know it sounds crazy to some people because they don't understand. Marantz, are you buying at these levels? Absolutely. Absolutely. I get paid today. Once I get paid, $20 will float over to GameStop. 20 to 40, depending on how much I buy for the day. But that's usually the way it goes for me. I don't buy too much a day. I DCA in. I've been dollar cost averaging in for the last 4.5 years. I'm extremely disciplined on this. And it's not that I have it in me to be that disciplined. I'm forced to be this disciplined because I don't jeopardize my family. I don't jeopardize everything around me. So I definitely am taking my time. But my position's significant. This morning when I woke up, it was over $38,000 in GameStop. That made me feel great. I looked at it and I said, hey, I got a lot of money here. But I would never sell. Never sell for the prices they think I would. I don't need to. I don't need to, you know. I'd rather be mortgage free one day. That's the plan. So either I pay off my house myself or GameStop does it for me. But we're not having these conversations. Not even close, guys. But, you know, if you want to buy something nice, you can sell now and just go take your money and go buy something. I want to buy my dream car. Stupid. You stupid college boy. That's a shout out to one of my cousins, bro. I got a cousin who used to walk up to everybody. He's a gangster, bro. This guy's a gangster. Matter of fact, this dude's like 44 years old and just got his driver's license. Now, if you don't know about men who can't get driver's license, because one, they got the license suspended, two, they're criminals, or three, they're just these guys. But this guy used to walk up to us, and if you would go to college, right, he'd go up. Now, he's not talking shit to me and Reek, because me and Reek, we're world beaters. But he'd walk up to my other cousins, and one of my cousins was like bragging about going to college. And my cousin walks up, my cousin goes, wow, man, this guy went to college. He's a stupid college boy. He said that shit, and he said it just like that because he talks real funny. And then from that day forward, all my family used to hear Dan would be walking by and goes, oh, look at who it is. It's a stupid college boy. Yeah, and I'm going to tell you all, you're stupid college boys. That's who you guys are. Brad and Chad and whoever else out there losing money on this stock market. It's too easy. It's too easy to make money. Oh, is everything red? I'm so sorry. Is everything down? Oh, it must just be GameStop getting shorted. My bad, bros. I mean, the whole market's down, right? Oh, man, it's terrible. What about the Mag 7? How are we looking? Oh, hey, Costco's doing good. Costco, man. Damn. Hey, anybody lucky enough to have any of this? At $1,000 a share, this is crazy, man. Who has this stock? Man, that's a lot of money. Could you imagine? Like, seriously, guys, I know GameStop's $30, right? Like, I like GameStop. I do. But, like, yeah, I love GameStop. What are you talking about? But could you imagine having some of this? Like, wow, bros. Man, because you think about it, guys. I want you guys to think about, like, for the guys who've been in this stock, right? Like, who bought this damn thing, and they were like, man, could you imagine, like, if you were in this time frame, and, like, it shot up to all-time highs to, like, 500, and you're like, man, it's hard, man, I'm retiring, I'm getting out of here. Then it ticked down, hit 300. Probably like, oh, my heart stops. And then it just consolidates. It makes the Dorito. And you're like, hey, wait a minute. We're getting tighter. Oh, you know what? We're about to have a breakout. Oh, hey, boys, strap in. And then, and then it just goes crazy. Could you imagine? And then you're at the next apex, and you're like, you know what? We're here in the thousands. And it fell down to about 898, right? Where it fell down to 898, 870, something, whatever. We might find something here, but it might get tight again. Who knows? It might break out. Imagine if you're in this damn thing. Imagine if you're in this thing well before. I mean, what if you're way back down here? Hey guys, I'm just saying. I don't know, like, who's this lucky to do it this way. Like, but could you imagine if, like, you've been invested into this company since it was like, like somewhere over, it was 2013, I think. Somewhere like that, start buying this shit. Like around here, like around $100. Like, could you imagine? 90, $100? Just, man. And then you just walked it. I'll be right back. Hold on. Gotta take this thing for a walk. Can you imagine, dude? Man. There's some rich people out there, man. Some people out there just stacking. Oh, $32. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, God. Keep it this low, please. Please keep it this low, shorters. Come on, baby. Don't let it off the hook. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. We love this shit. Oh, $32. Guys, can I remind you where we were last week? Oh, Here we go. Let's go to the 4 hour. Don't ever forget who you are, guys. So we're way up here right now, and we were down here just 6 days ago. We're over here 6 days ago. We're at 28. So we're at 32. Oh, no, we're down, bros. This is bad. Oh, no, this is not good for us. No. Relax, bros. Relax. Can you imagine? And people crying that GameStop doesn't give guidance. And they did the letter and they posted it, and now they have Bitcoin. There you go. Now I got to work and listening. Love y'all. Bro, I went to Home Depot yesterday. Let me tell you about Home Depot. These people, first off, all the employees are old as they're dinosaurs, bro. Their damn aprons with their names on them, and they don't. And why do the old employees get certain sections? You were like, what are you doing in paint, lady and dude? You guys can't be lifting these heavy ass. And the young kids are up there, at the checkout stand. I don't even know. So I was in there, and I was like, hi, I'm looking for this. And I said what I was looking for. And the guy goes like this. He goes, hold on. Oh, that's all I have to see is a 60-year-old dude hunting and pecking into his phone. Doesn't even know how to use his damn phone. Hold on. Looking it up. Then he goes, it's on aisle 13. 13. It's on aisle 13. There you go, 13. Bro, the time that it took him to look that up and tell me where it's at, he could have walked my ass over there. He could have went ahead and, hey, let's go for a walk, young man. I'll show you where it's at. Nah, not Home Depot. Trash. Look at this, dudes. This is phenomenal. I like this. We'll shrink it. These are lines there. You see these lines? These were the breakout lines of the previous Dorito. Right here. Look at this. Dorito. We're fine. Keep this shit going. $32.70, guys. What a discount from yesterday. I love it. All you bag holders, get at me, man. Who's a bag holder in here? Anybody? Put your hand up. It says right here, bought a book. Barbarians at the Gate. I remember you were talking about it. Looks very interesting. I mean, you could just go ahead and watch the movie. That always works. But it's about R.J. Nabisco and the deal and how it all happened. You'll enjoy it. You will. KKR and the boys. Yeah, that's what it was. It gets really good. Just curious, what happened to the gamma ramp? It's still there. What do you mean? I can show it to you. Let's go look. Let's go look, man. Hey, man. Marantz, can you pull up the gamma ramp? I can. I can pull up the gamma ramp. Just getting it ready. Here you go. Here you go, man. So you come here, and I want you to go to options, and I want you to go to max pain. Okay? Don't worry about that. All right, so here we go. So for this week, we're at 83,000 in the money, 177 out of the money, 91,000 already in the money for June 20th. The max pain for this week is $30. We're at 32. Max pain for June 20th is $25. How that's ever going to happen, I'll never know. The options chain has you going in the opposite direction. But let me show you something about these call contracts here. This is OBS, bro. OBS don't want you guys to see this shit. It's crazy, bro. So the reason why they don't want you to see it is right here, 24,000. At $40, you get another 39,000 contracts. Almost 4 million shares they would have to deliver. So that's a lot of contracts out there floating. After that, I mean, you're all the way up at $50 a share. So all these contracts exist. Or why do they buy these contracts? To represent the shares that they're currently shorting. That's why you see all this open interest for nothing at 125. That represents over 11 million shares. So 11 million shares are spoken for way up here at 125. They don't care. They expire out of the money. Guess what they do? They reposition and they roll that to the next date. And you'll see exactly how it all plays out. But as of now, you're going to have to deliver because you're not getting down to $25. I don't know why I clicked on it, but whatever. You're not getting down to $25. And that means you're not getting those 9,000 back. You're not getting those 7,000 back. They're gone. These 27,000. So they'd want to get it to $30. If they really want to get tight, $30. There's 27,000 con contracts at $30. Get it down there. Try. Do your best. It's going to cost you a lot of money to do it because I'm telling you, people like 32. And you see it right now, 32.50. They don't have a problem with that at all. So, good luck. Look at the volume already here on it. 19 million shares traded back and forth. You're going to have to find 60 million for the day if you want to get it down to $30. But let's see what it's all about. Never thought I would literally witness folks digging into their own grave deeper. They're known as GameStop shorters. Absolutely, man. Oh, dude, though. They will go down with the fight. They do not care. We've known this for years. When you run out of things to do, it's zero dark 30 all day. They don't care. So go for it. Let's see what we have here. Because the old dudes know things, the young ones very little. I'm going to go relax my ass on the... Cranky Tobin, bro, I don't need visuals, bro. I don't need visuals. People have been hired forever long ago, waiting to retire or get fired. Yes. You know, it's also GameStop's hiring a senior e-commerce guy and something else. I don't know what it was, but shout out to GameStop. I have to go check that out, man. Wifey, you feel like moving, babe? I tell you right now, my wife's not happy with me this morning. I'm not going to shy away from it. My daughter's pissed off, my son's pissed off, and my wife. I've been up. I've been up since 5-something. I went to bed at 1, woke up at 5, I started reading headlines, start playing music, start waking up. I got a text from my wife right now. She said, loud. Sorry, babe. It's GameStop. Life don't stop. Honestly. I mean, it is what it is. The market is down because they're prepping for NVIDIA to collapse. Bro. NVIDIA earnings today after the market, guys. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. What website is that with the table showing in the money calls? Yes. Charter Exchange. Yes, it is that. And you can get out there and look at it all. I mean, they got way more stats than just that. So, is the 4,710 Bitcoin count confirmed? It is, Patrick. It is. It's on an SEC filing already. You can look it up on the Edgar system. It's there. So, very excited for it. Some people are trying to say it's 7 for 1, and because it's backwards. You guys, I don't have time for these people. I don't have time for these people trying to read tweets and get in between them and dissect them. Ice cream cones and what green frogs mean. None of that shit. I just shop at GameStop. That's all I do. So you guys can do what you want. Oh, man. I have packages. Hang out for a second. All right, my GameStop packages came in, and I know there's like about 4 more packages coming from the fans of the show. Tons of people that support this show, that support the giveaways, everything we do. They already told me, everybody texted me, Marantz, I want to send you something. I want to send something for the kids. Go ahead. You guys know the way it goes. We give away everything to the kids. So this is all from GameStop itself. I'm going to be giving these away on the next giveaway. You guys already know that I have a whole bunch for giveaways. I have the whole SBC, this whole thing, all the cards that I got in there, all the hits, everything you see, and I had plenty. I'm already going to be giving those away, and so I'm not worried about the chart. Let me see what the chart says. All right, 32.29. Don't worry about it. We'll come back to it. All right, here we go. Packages. To give you an example of the cards we're giving away when we see the kids out in the streets and we do the interviews, these are all the Poke cards, Master Poke cards right here. Ton of cards that we'll be giving away. Eggplant, I don't know why the light is in my place. But there's, Yeah, Flareon, Glaceon, all with the Pokeball thing. Leafeon, EX. Lucero is what I call him. Lucario. All the hits will be given away. Umbreon. And then even the EV card that's worth a lot of money right now will be given away. All of this will be given away for free to kids when we see them and we do the giveaways, the street interviews. Just got to get myself and my wife out there. We had a really eventful month with all the passing in my family, all the funerals, everything that was going on. So, but I think we're past that now. And hopefully my dad, has a doctor's appointment today. I'm very excited about it. I wasn't excited about my dad calling me yesterday. My dad called me and he said, "Hey, bro, I'm giving away all my tools, so what do you need?" I said, "Excuse me? I've known my dad my whole life. He's never given away a single thing. He always said, never sell your tools. You're going to need them to make money." I said, "Okay, well," he said he's giving everything away. So I said, "Yo, Pops, man, honestly," so if I need something, I'll just call you and you come over with the tools and you fix it. See, I refuse to give in to this idea that he's on his way out. So I said, "Nope, I don't need no tools, Pops. Stop calling me with this bullshit." He said, "I call my buddy. I'm going to give him some tools. I'm gonna do it." I said, "You do whatever you're going to do. Don't get me involved because I'm not going to do this for you." Now, check this out. Oh, we filled the gap. We're going to see what we got from GameStop. I love it. Look at the packaging. I saved money on this. Oh, bro. All this for one card? One card? The hell? Bro. I got to talk to these guys. Oh, man. Lapras. Be giving this away. Be giving that away right there. Got it at GameStop. PSA 9 Lapras card. Boom. Going to the kids. Going to the stack of PSA cards right here. I got a whole stack. Keep adding to the stack. Don't worry. That was wild, bro. I got it. And I know why GameStop sends them in one box, whatever, because they're sending them from different locations, different stores, ship them out, and then they send them. That's how they get them to you. Because the stores get them turned in, and they have to sell them off and do all that stuff. So, bros, I'm gonna flip out on GameStop, bro. You guys can send me. I bought 6 cards, and they have sent me 3 different packages. Bro, these guys, they're coming from everywhere. All right, whatever. I'm not even gonna get mad. There's another one. I think they would be worth good money nowadays. I would have had first general Pokemon if it wasn't for my mom who threw them all away. You know, Chris, everybody says that. You know, when I was growing up, we had over, and I'm dead serious, we had over 10,000 football cards, baseball cards, basketball cards, hockey cards. We had everything, dude, growing up. Because my dad used to buy us a box. And I didn't even realize. We used to have all that growing up, dude. Everything. We did all this stuff. They'll tell you. All right, here's another one. This is going to be an EX Durant EX. Pokemon card. PSA 9. That's going to go to the kids too. What can GameStop do for Bitcoin? El Rooster, what is Bitcoin? Why? What are you talking about? What can anybody do for Bitcoin? Like, is Bitcoin a person? Who's the CEO of Bitcoin? I'm just curious. Who's the CFO? Who's the board of directors? Nobody? What has anyone ever done for Bitcoin? Did I miss something? That's my point, dude. My parents would never throw something away that we cared about. If she trashed them, they were probably loosely stashed somewhere and unprotected. That's on you. Oh, yeah. How do you know his parents, bro? Tesla has 10,000 Bitcoin. We nearby. Sure. That's the point. GameStop is the one that's going to benefit from Bitcoin. Yes. Great quote. The stock market is a device transferring money. I mean, bro, Beach Bum, you're something different, bro. It's, I like these guys who say all these sayings like over and over from like and all the ones you've ever heard. That's one of them, which is great for us holders. Yeah. Guys, I'm excited, but it's not going to change anything. I'm still here tomorrow. Look at this, $31, bro. Oh my God, keep coming down. I get paid this afternoon. Let me tell you, come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Wrong, bitch. Yes. Let's go. Stop loss hunting. Way below 32. Come on. For all you guys that saw the stock at $37 this morning, 36, and you're sad right now. You're like, we're down. Down's not up. Up's not down. No, no, no. Look at this. We're not down, bros. Give me a break. Look at that. We're not down. That's all you got? It's $31.86. That's it? Shit. Remember the top side of this triangle right here. The top side of this Dorito that we broke out of is now your support. So your support for the day is right here around 20, I would say $30.11. You still got to keep coming down, bro. That support, you got another additional support right here on the inner triangle, and you might hit that. That's around 28.15. Good luck. Let's get there. I'd love to buy the shares. I'll tell you where you're never going to be. The word's never. You're never getting a 25 anything. That's not happening. The support is real. So you have it way down here. It wouldn't matter where it comes from because it hits right here. So it can be anywhere down, way down here. It won't matter. Is that far down right there? Boom. So that's your support way down here. You're never gonna get there. So I like 31.82. Like that price. I don't have a problem with that at all. Keep going. This moving average keeps pushing you down. How's that MACD coming? Oh, we're gonna go green right now. We're gonna go up. We're still going down? Oh, bros. Was expecting algo versus traders feeding the market. Sure. Calls are cheap is what I'm thinking, and some discounts, some shares. Carlos, I don't know. I just buy shares, bro. That's it. We might halt at negative 10%. At 10%? No. Going to do the workout now. Thanks for the update, man. Yeah, Chris F., you're welcome, dude. I'm going to get up out of here. It's my day off. I don't have to be here. I'm going to enjoy the breakfast with my wife. I'm going to go do some stuff with the kids. I'm going to play some video games. I don't have to be sitting here watching the chart go down. I'll come back later. Can I do that with you guys? Come back later. I got to study anyway. There's stuff I got to look at. Oh, I love this, though. Oh, 31.50. Hey, guys, honestly, I'm really mad. Guys, this is nonsense, okay? This is bullshit, man. 31.50? How dare you? I love GameStop. I love you guys. I won't keep you here all day. I'll see you guys in a bit. Who knows? Yeah, exactly, Endgame. Wait till it happens on the quarterly. Hey, bros. I'm going to see if my wife's going to get so mad that, I had to wake her up. I'm going to go wake her up. I got to go. GameStop. Can't stop, won't stop. GameStop. What's up, Mama? I was just kidding. I'm not even live. I was just talking to myself. I'll see you around, millionaires.